Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video we have come up with another very interesting question for you. The question is pertaining to the summation of a square series, or basically square of a certain set of numbers, and we need to find the last digit of the same. So these are one of the most interesting sort of questions that we have seen quite frequently in examinations like GMAT and GRE, particularly GMAT. These sort of questions are quite frequently asked in the quantitative aptitude section. So we'll take a look at the same. We'll try and understand the approach of the same as well. This sort of questions, and we'll subsequently try and solve the same, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So having said that, let us just focus on the question. What is the last digit of the results of the expression 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square plus dot 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 till 99 square? So we need to find the unit digit of the same. So if we take the number, we have 11 square plus we have 12 square plus we have 13 square plus dot 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 till 99 square. Now see, is if we look at this series or the summation in this way, it's really difficult to figure out what the unit digit is going to be. Let us try and break this thing down, and let's see if we observe some kind of pattern or not. Suppose if I take 11 square, we know 1 square always ends in 1, so the unit digit will be 1. 12 square, we know 2 square ends in 2, so unit digit will be 4. 13 square, if I take, we know 3 square is 9. 14 square, we know 4 square is 16, so it ends in 6. 5 square, it always ends in 5. Okay, so let's go till 20 and see. 16 square, again 6 square is 36, so unit digit 6. 17 square, again 9. 7 square is 49, so unit digit 9. 8 square, again 64, so 4. 19 square, again it ends in 1. And 20 square is 0 square is 0. Now notice one thing. Okay, let this 5 be at midpoint. Okay, 1 1 4 4 9 9 6 6. So essentially in the 10 digits from 11 to 20, the numbers keep on repeating themselves in the particular order. And if I take the sum, okay, let me take sum from, let me take this entire sum from 11 to 20. 1 plus 4 gives us 5, 5 plus 9 gives us 14, 14 plus 6, 20. So we have unit digit 0 so far. 0 plus 5, again 25, again we have 5, plus 6, 11, 1, plus 9, 0, because 1 plus 9 is 10, 0, again unit digit 0, plus 4, unit digit 4, and plus 1, unit digit 1. Okay, let me just write this down. I'm taking this 1 here. Let me use some rough space. Okay, we use a different color and a rough space so that this thing is explanation is clear to you. Notice one thing. I'm taking 11's 1. Okay, I'm taking 12's 4. This gives us 5. I'm taking 13's 9. So it gives us 14. So I'm taking the unit digit 4. I'm taking 14's 6. Okay, 4 plus 6 is 10. So unit digit comes out to be 0. Okay, now I'm taking 15's 5. Okay, so unit digit again is 5. I'm taking 16's 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So unit digit is again 1. Okay, now I'm taking 17's 9. Okay, so 1 plus 9 again gives us 10. So unit digit is 0. 18's I am taking 4. Okay, so unit digit comes out to be 4. And 19's I am taking 1. So unit digit comes out to be 5. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. So for 1 to 11 to 20. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This 10 numbers I have unit digit as 5. Okay, I hope this is clear. For this 10 numbers I have unit digit as 5. So that is, I can simply write it as 11 to 20 I have unit digit as 5. So therefore 21 to 30 I will also have unit digit as 5, because essentially the last digits remain the same. 31 to 40, again I'll get unit digit as 5. 41 to 50, again I'll get unit digit as 5. 51 to 60, again unit digit I'll get this as 5. 61 to 70, again unit digit as 5. 71 to 80, again unit digit as 5. 81 to 90, again unit digit as 5. And 91 to, we did 99, right? But see, 100 square anyways, the last digit will be 0 anyways. Okay, here the last digit is 0, so I'm taking only till 99 only. The unit digit will be 5. Now if I am to add this thing up, 5 plus 5 0, 0, 0 and 0. So 8 of this pair simply give us 0, and all we are left with is this 5. So the unit digit will be nothing but 5. Okay, which will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you, how we came about with the solution of the same. So all we are concerned with was unit digit, and we just simply had to observe a certain pattern in this regards. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you in terms of the summation series, how we figured out the units digit. So in case you have any doubt, kindly go through the entire explanation. This should give you plenty of insights in regards to the approach involved in the same as well. Okay, that should be clear to you. Now, having said all of that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. If you're looking for similar sort of questions or the detailed solution of the entire question paper, be it your QA section, LR section, or the vulnerability section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay, having said that, if I'll be signing out, so thank you so much.